Welcome to Luxury Vision Board. We motivate you to do better, to live a life full of luxuries. We talk about whatever a life of luxury has to offer. Today we are talking about the Louis Vuitton side trunk bag. Is it worth it? This side trunk bag is created by Nicholas Ghesquire for Louis Vuitton, inspired by the iconic LV trunks. As you can see, the reinforced metal corners, the leather zip tab with the S-lock all reminds us of the trunks Louis Vuitton is famous for. The straps and handles are removable and can be styled in various ways. It comes in a cute size, which is just enough. If you don't know already, Louis Vuitton started as a box maker after 17 years of perfecting the craft, and he was also the box maker of the Empress of France. Most Louis Vuitton lovers definitely have one of his trunks. If not, you can settle for this side trunk bag. So these bags come in three materials: debossed calfskin leather, monogram coated canvas, and monogram denim. You might have seen embossed, where the motifs are pushed inwards, but when it is debossed, it's outwards and has a nice bumpy texture. It could be prone to creases though, but definitely interesting. The bindings and the straps are in leather, vachetta leather, and of course, the metal reinforcements make it iconic and so trunk-like. The zipper pull is also very cute. The S-lock is attached to the front, and I think everything about this is a pop way to speak of the traditional trunks. They start at 3,000 USD and cost a bit till 4,000 till bit above till 4,000 USD. And I think it is pretty good, guys, because it is runway piece. If you want to have one of these little trunks as a bag, go for it. It's pretty classy and cute. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful so I can reach more people. Thanks for watching.